Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing DAO project which name is Astra Gold Venture. So before wasting my time, let's go to their homepage. So this is their homepage. If you want to visit their homepage, I will also give the link on this side. In my video description, you just need to go to my video description, and when you click on the link, you will find out this homepage. So first of all, I give you a little introduction about their project. So what is their mission and vision, we also discuss it, and we discuss their main feature that will be very beneficial for you if you have interest to their join their project. So first of all, I give you a little introduction. What is this? Astra World Venture is the DAO that invests in non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and other blockchain assets. So their mission is to build the largest community of NFT and blockchain tech leaders, enthusiasts and contributors around the world. So their aim to create a completely transparent virtual economy that provides equal value to all stakeholders. So after this, we discuss about their aim. So their aim to help seed up adoption of new NFT and blockchain projects by introducing them to the community through partnerships or by purchasing assets and equities from these projects. So they want to help NFT and blockchain enthusiasts earn by renting out community owned asset and providing training to them. So they also have aim to help contributors maximize their earning potential by utilizing the abundant human resource and partnerships of the DAO for NFT play to earn games. So this is very amazing project for you if you have interest, if you love NFTs, and if you want to become a part of any other project which is related to the play to earn. So guys, it's very amazing. So before starting my video in detail, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first on your mobile screen. So let's go to their pitch deck. So this is the pitch deck. Here you will find out the information regarding their project. Here you will find out each and every information regard which are very necessary to you if you have interest to buy, if you have interest to use, and if you have a interest to become a part of their project. So first of all, here you can find out the information like what are NFTs. So you already know that NFTs are the non-fungible assets and tokens that we can use to represent ownership of unique items. So it's mean it is it show that you are the official owner at a time and secured by the Ethereum blockchain. So after discussing what is the NFT, so here you will find out their growth of NFT and play to earn gaming. So you will find out that they have a $2 billion of total NFT industry valuation by 2021. So this is the quarter one of their project. So after this, they also want to show you that they have 2,100% to increase amount spent for NFT from quarter 4 of 2021, and you will also find out this figure which is the total user across NFT games as of September 2021. So this is very brand new project. If you want to be a part of their project, so you will get a very amazing benefits from their sites. So here we will find out their market size. This is the market size of the NFT industry. So this is very huge market size. Here you will find out that they have 2 billion, we already discussed it, and they have $93 million in 2022, and in 2019 they have only $15 million. So here you will find out the exact ratio that they are going to be they are going to the moons, that in only 1 year how they expand their industry, and in 2 year now they have 2 billion plus in 2021. So after discussing it, we discuss about their problem and solution, because these are very necessary. Everyone want to be a part of the NFT and DAO, but they have money, but they but got no time to learn and manage NFT assets and games. So they also give the solution of this problem. So number two problem is that high cost of owning NFT assets and the lack of knowledge of the blockchain market. So here they give the solution of these problems that AGV connects investor and player to maximize earning opportunity on NFT assets. So this is very amazing project. If you have, if you want to be a part of any NFT, so this is very amazing for you. You can also find out their business model here. So Astrogo Ventures is an organization that rents out NFT asset to its guild members in exchange for a portion of their earning. So first of all, if you buy some NFT assets in AGV, then number two is NFT asset rented out to gold members. Number three is gold member pays a portion of earning to AGV, and number four is 20% DAO and 20% community and manager, 60% for the player. So you will get these instructions from their site, and you will pay 20% for DAO and 20% for community, and they have 60% for their players. So after this, you will find out their recruit member, train member. This is the procedure that they follow. Number one, they recruit members. Number two, they train members, rent and assets. The other one is the DAO. About DAO, they propose, vote and enact. So after this, you will also find out the other detail about the NFT assets. So you will find out the figures, you will find out the for the SLP per day, and you will find out the figure for the DAO monthly revenue. So you can imagine how big is this. So you will be very beneficial if you join their DAO. So AGV is one of the fastest growing NFT guilds in the world. So their community is built with strong foundation of members and players. So they aspire to provide access to more NFT as they continue to grow the expand. So here you will find out their community that they have 2032 Axie Infinity scholars, 41,000 plus Discord members, and 73,000 plus Facebook followers. So it means these are very huge in their community. So after this, you can also find out the information about the market adoption, online channels, campaigns, and event lineup. So you will find out online channel like Facebook, Discord, online reach to first month, and 5 social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, and Discord. These are their online channels where you can join them, and you will get each and every information regarding their project, and you will find out the way how you can join it. So this is the complete review of their project. So after this, you will also find out their features. Number one feature is this is the earning dashboard where you can join, and you will be able to increase and maximize your earning from their project. So other one is this is the DAO asset list. So Astra Gold Ventures will also make the list all of its assets publicly accessible by everyone, including non-DAO members. All its assets will be easily verifiable through the blockchain network. So other one is DAO governance board, and other is AGV staking platform. So after this, we discuss about the roadmaps. Basically, roadmaps are the different plans that they set according to different time period. They divide it into different phases or different quarters. So they have a phase one. They include these plans for their phase one. Number one is website development. Number two is website feature, AGV asset list, and website feature like AGV help desk and Discord launch, YouTube channel launch, and Facebook page launch. You can join these social medias, and you can easily find out help regarding their project. So after this, we discuss about their phase two here. So they have a plan of website feature like DAO governance board, earning dashboard, staking platform, and token launch through the Sushi Miso. So after this, you will also find out the information like the phase 3, which is about the new tech like automatic QR distribution, automatic XC development, automatic SLP withdrawal, automatic SLP distribution, automatic scholarship promotion, and phase 4 include the AGV NFT game development studio. So after this, you can contact them by the social medias like Facebook, Discord, the Telegram and Twitter. Here you will find out that they have 13.2k followers and they joined in September 2001. This is very huge community in their social media. You just need to follow them and press the bell icon to see each and every update regarding their project. So let's go to their back to their homepage, and here you will also check your governance, your AGV assets. This is the governance. You can check this and contact the activate this. So after the explanation, here you will find out their list of their assets. So these are the AGV assets, where these are approximately 2000 AGV assets you will find out here. Or if you want to check, you just need to click on it and you will find out the Ronin page. Here you will find out their address, their total SLP in USDT, and their ERC and the token which have these assets. So after this we discuss about their pre-sale. So their pre-sale will be start very soon, and they will offer a very amazing benefits for their holders. Their pre-sale will be start on 17th of November on their website, and their IDO on this 17th of December, and exchange on the 20th of December. So after this we go back to the home page and we discuss other things regarding their project. So if you want to check their earning dashboard, so you can also check it. You need to click on the earning dashboard and you will find out this page. Here you need to log out yourself and log in it, and you will find out your daily basis earning on this page. So guys, this is very amazing, and their pre-sale will be start on 17th November, and I recommend you don't miss this chance. If you join their pre-sale, then you will earn a very huge, and you can maximize your profit on daily basis. So after this we discuss about the other things regarding their project. So we go back home, and here you will find out their social medias and other things which are very necessary for it. If you have interest to join their pre-sale or their IDO, you need to follow their social medias, to subscribe and hit the bell icon to see each and every update regarding their project on their social media. So this is their social media Twitter page. So here you will find out each and every update regarding their project on the single page, and you will find out the solution of every problems. You will find out the answer of every question that you have regarding their mind, regarding their project in your mind. You just need to subscribe it and you will find out these are answer of these question. So here you can see that here's the SLP axis price for 5th of November as 12 p.m. So follow us on our social media channels for the latest news. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.